What a beautiful day!
Good morning! I feel great today.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Emma.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, Noah.
Come here, son.
Dad, what's going on? You seem excited.
I have a surprise. Are you ready?
Yes!
Tell us.
This is going to be fun!
Excited family voices.
We're going to Disney World.
No way!
Really?
Yes, it's true. I'm so excited. This is amazing.
Yay! Disney World, here we come! Wait for me!
That's the Disney spirit.
Our adventure is starting! Mom! Dad! I'm ready for Disney World! This is going to be the best trip ever!
I can't forget my camera. I'm going to take so many Disney pictures. And my airplane is coming too.
I'm bringing Teddy with me to Disney World. And all my favorite toys, too. This is going to be magical. I'm all packed and ready to go. Disney World, here I come. My suitcase is ready, too. I can't wait to meet the princesses.
Everyone ready?
Our Disney adventure begins now.
Yay, we're going to Disney World! Let's go to Disney World! We're really going to Disney World! I can't wait to see the castle!
Adventure starts now. I can't wait.
We're finally on our way to Disney World!
Our magical adventure starts now.
This is going to be the best family trip ever!
Look! We made it!
Disney World is Disney World!
The most magical place on Earth.
Adventure is fine! Wow, the castle is huge! It's even more magical than I imagined!
Welcome to the Magic Memories to them. Welcome to a world of pure magic and wonder. Behold the majestic castle where dreams take flight. Let the adventure begin.
This is the best day ever!
Our Disney adventure starts now!
Let's make... Wow! Look, Emma, it's Mickey Mouse! And the castle is even bigger than I imagined! This is going to be the best day ever!
Let's explore all the magic together.
Mickey! It's really you!
Hi there, pal. Welcome to Disney.
Oh, look at that smile!
This is a memory we'll never forget.
Wow, look at the princesses!
They're waving at us! Smile, everyone. I'm recording this magical moment. Best parade ever! Welcome to the Magic Kingdom, everyone!
Wow, this is the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
I wish this magical day could last forever. These are memories we'll treasure forever.
Our Disney dream finally came true. Wow, this place is magical.
Look, real princesses. This is incredible.
Welcome to the kingdom. Look, the princesses are waving at us.
This is my favorite parade ever. Smile, everyone. This is going in our vacation album.
What a magical day.
Welcome, friends. Enjoy the magic. Look, Mom, the princesses live here.
Wow, it's like a real fairy tale.
Everything is so beautiful.
This kingdom is amazing.
Look! All the princesses are together!
This feels like a dream come true.
Welcome to our magical kingdom! Come join us, friends! Wow, I've never seen anything this beautiful before.
This truly is the most magical place on earth.
Look at the princesses and the royal horses. This is unbelievable.
We're in a real fairy tale.
Look at the swans. They're so beautiful.
This feels like a magical dream.
Wow! The sky is full of magic!
This is the most beautiful night ever.
I'll never forget this moment.
Let's make a wish together.
This was the best adventure ever.
I never want this magical day to end. We'll remember this forever.
Our dream came true today.
They're real princesses.
It feels like we're inside a fairy tale. Will you dance with me beneath the stars?
Forever, my princess.
Look, I'm flying on a dragon. My unicorn can fly above the castle. This is pure magic.
Best day ever.
You two are honorary princes and princesses today.
Best day ever.
Welcome to a place only a few have ever seen.
Wow, it's even more magical than the castle. Mom, we're really walking on clouds.
This is the most magical place I've ever seen.
Look, the birds are showing us the way.
Welcome, dear travelers, to the heart of the enchanted forest.
Wow, are all these fairies real?
Tonight, every dream becomes magic.
Mom, my unicorn can fly. Look, this baby unicorn's made.
This valley is pure magic.
I wished for this magical night to last forever.
Look, our wishes became stars.
Some dreams really do come true.
Look, the swans are making glowing hearts.
They are celebrating the magic of friendship.
Princess Aurora, are these mirrors magical?
Yes, each mirror shows a different dream waiting to be discovered. Wow, look at all those lanterns! Every lantern carries a dream into the sky.
Princess Jasmine, your palace is beautiful.
Welcome, my friends. Every corner of this palace holds a little magic.
Cinderella, are these really your magical dresses? Every dress holds a beautiful memory and a little bit of magic. These mice are so funny.
Every book in this library hides a magical adventure.
Wow, the stories are coming alive. Look, the books are flying.
In this library, imagination becomes real. Every book here opens a new adventure.
The stories are flying out of the pages. Can we read another one?
In this library, imagination has no limits. Ariel, this underwater kingdom is amazing! Every wave here hides a magical adventure.
This feels like a dream.
Tonight, every dream shines among the stars. Tonight, the magic belongs to you.
This is the happiest day ever.
Today we welcome you as honorary members of our magical kingdom.
May your hearts always carry the magic of this adventure. This is the happiest day ever. We'll never forget this kingdom.
Welcome to the time chamber, where every second holds a story.
Look at those magical worlds! Can we visit all of them?
Only the most magical travelers can. These paintings are alive!
That princess just waved at me. I want to jump into that castle painting.
Every painting holds a magical world.
My horse is flying! I'm riding a unicorn in the sky! This is incredible!
A dream come true!
The whole river is made of rainbows! Look at the magical fish! This place is more beautiful than any dream.
Every turn reveals another wonder.
We're really walking on clouds. Look at the flying houses. Welcome to the floating cloud village. Is this where all the magic comes from?
Every magical dream begins here.
Everything sparkles!
Every butterfly carries a wish.
They're so beautiful! They're dancing around us!
This mountain looks like it's made of diamonds!
Everything is shining!
It's the most beautiful place I've ever seen. We're higher than the castle.
Look at the unicorn balloon!
Welcome to the Royal Balloon Parade. Remember, you'll always be part of our kingdom. We'll miss you so much. Come visit us again someday.
Goodbye, magical castle.
We'll never forget this adventure.
I wish we could stay forever.
The memories will stay forever.
The castle is disappearing.
But the magic stays in our hearts.
time to head home.
I already miss Disney.
Remember the Dragon Academy?
And the Princess Castle. So many wonderful memories. And fireworks. I wish Disney was closer.
One day we'll return.
Look at this picture.
That was an amazing day.
Home sweet home.
But Disney felt like home too. Let's put the castle photo here. Now Disney is part of our room.
Every souvenir tells a story.
It's like bringing Disney home with us. I miss the princesses already. I miss the dragons and unicorns.
Look at our first day at Disney!
That was the best day ever!
Every moment was magical. The adventure may be over,
But the magic will stay forever.
and we'll always remember it.
This was my favorite day! And this is when I met the dragons.
These memories will last forever.
This shelf is full of adventures. Every souvenir has a magical story.
What was your favorite part?
Meeting the princesses, flying with the dragons.
I loved every magical moment.
Can we go back next year? There are still so many magical places to see.
Maybe our next adventure will be even bigger.
I can't wait to plan it together.
We'll come back one day, and the magic will be waiting for us. Some adventures never truly end.
This is only the beginning of our next dream.